Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again, Code with DK sir. So like in the previous video, we discussed about the definitions, about the schema, what is schema, why we are using schema, right? So we discussed the definition, right? What is the by default schema name generated in SQL table? That was the DBO, right? So DBO stand for database object. So here we take dbo.emp. So here emp is a table name and dbo is a schema name. So DB stand for database object. So we can create our own schema like I discussed last time. So let's see how to create our own schema practically. Okay. So here I'm going to write comments how to create schema. How to create a schema. So same DDL statement. You have to write here create schema. Schema name. Suppose I given here DKS DK student, and simply have to run this F5 command completed successfully. So now my schema DKS. So once we create a table, guys, so you have to always add with the DKS. So suppose I create a table here, create table name. So suppose here I given table name like project details. So once I create my table, so I will first give my schema name DKS dot. Like I told you, once you access any object, you have to always access with the dot delimiters. Same procedure like we creating previous table. So simple create a table here, create like a project ID, enters a primary key, identity keyword, and use comma separator, project name, char or var, project title, suppose I given here 44, project start date. So date you have to use date at a time, date data type not null because date is very important. Comma separator means you want to write next column, so don't forget the comma. Project end date. Okay, fine. So again date data type not null. Like I told you previous video, not null why you define which column you want to keep important one, which one you don't want to left blank. In that case, you have to use the not null. Fine. So I just create it and simple select it like doing previous command completed successfully. Then we have to check with the select statement. So select asterisk means all from where. So dks dot, so it will come project details table. See. So only schema going to be added. Otherwise, rest of things are same like whatever you're doing in previous table. Say clear? Same way we are going to insert the value. So insert into dks dot project details values. So I will take a project name. Suppose I have taken it here, school management system. Okay. Project start date title. So I give it like a SMS school management system. Start date I took it here. Suppose 1st Jan 2024. Okay. Comma. End date always match with this. Say start date always match with the column. If column is mismatched, so you're going to say supply value does not match if you forgot. So end date, suppose end date going to be 31st December 2024, just for the 1 year, right? Simple I select F5 Something is wrong. What is this? Values. Insert into DKS project detail values. Values. DKS project detail fine. What's wrong? Incorrect syntax. Let's check back. Values. Number of column is match project name. Okay, got it. Because we are use already 25, you can see here, and I'm giving more than to 25, right? That is the reason it's not taking. Okay, so simply can keep another like a school management. High school simply can keep it. Just for understanding. Run this one affected F5. So as you can see here. So once error will come, don't be panic, okay? First read the problem, check back with us. Like I told you, once you define the size here, you have to use the same size. You cannot give more than to that, okay? So you can say I insert the value inserted successfully. Same way using the schema name, you can create multiple table. You can create multiple table. Suppose I can create another one table here, create table dks dot, suppose I want to create here like data science, right? In data science, like what is a program? So here you can take like a program id, integer, primary key, okay, comma separator, program name, okay, tab. So using this you can create number of the table using one schema. See, command completed successfully. Again I will write here select hashtag means all from what is dks schema name dot data science. Simply you have to select and run this. So using one schema you can create multiple table. Now come back to the view object explorer. Now you can see here. So right click on the database, simple refresh option you can see. Again come to the table. You can check back DKS. I created two table, project details and data science, as you can see. So we are able to create our own schema. Okay. So thank you so much for this video. Then see you next one. Bye guys. Take care everyone.